What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Guys, I cannot believe it. Just when you think you know everything about the tools that you've been using for years, you find something new. Now, this is a vice grip set of automated wire strippers. Very, very common. However, it's got a couple features, like this wire depth gauge right here, which it's really just cheesy. But there's one thing that I never really understood. That's this screw right here. See it? I was like, wait a minute, I thought it was replacing that lower jaw, right? Because both those jaws, they are replaceable. But when I screwed it all the way in, it's violent when it releases. And then when you release it, you unscrew it, there's no tension there whatsoever. So what it is you are creating a depth for that little latch right there. See in the back, that hole? So what it is, you're creating a certain depth of protrusion in that hole that you have to overcome. So the further down you screw this, the deeper it goes down into that hole. Haha. And then when you squeeze it, you have to build up some pressure, and then it goes boop, and it breaks free. Now, that could be okay. What it's actually doing is adding grabbing pressure by doing that. So it's holding on your wires harder. But sometimes that tears wires. And I never happen to think that this might be adjustable. So by keeping it on the lighter side, it's going to grab your wires less violently, in fact. So you're not going to break your really thin gauge wiring. And in fact, when I was doing this project right here, there's a couple wires that just pulled it right in half. Come to find out, I could have adjusted the torque that it holds onto the cable. And I did not know that, guys. How crazy is that? So, wire strippers, these vice grip brands, they got something that I had no idea about. I didn't think that the tension on the cables was adjustable. Yeah, look at that. Now it's grabbing violently. Crazy. How cool. Thanks for watching, guys.